Today I am making this small video to quickly introduce you to who I am. I'm Dawn Marie. I am the mental health coach at Mental Illness Matters. About myself, about 14 years ago I was diagnosed with bipolar disorder, split personality disorder, and some other disorders that go with bipolar. I have, over the years, educated myself on my own illnesses, illnesses that I was seeing that were on social platforms. So I specialize in bipolar disorder, borderline personality disorder, schizophrenia, OCD, and some other mental disorders. I have taken the time to properly educate myself on everything mental health, everything mental breakdowns, and everything mental illness. Today I am now, I haven't had a manic episode in over 8 years. Pat on the back. I, like everybody else, have some sort of depression, not on a daily basis anymore, but it does come sometimes, and that is when I take the time to do a self-day to reflect and see where it's coming from. And I also have learned how to speak up for myself. It's not the matter of how someone else feels, but it's the matter of how you feel when it comes to thinking of something that is creating something deep down that keeps just creating the same trigger over and over again. It's up to you to speak about it, because the person that you need to speak to, or the topic that needs to be spoke about, is important, and you need to speak up. It's not going to hurt them as much as it's been hurting you, so speak up for yourself. I do that, and the people that are understanding are still in my life, and the people that don't understand are from a distance, are not my life whatsoever, and I'm fine and proud of that, because I've taken the time to realize who I am and what my illnesses bring to me. This is just a short video of introduction, and I hope to do some more videos for you on learning some educations on different illnesses by a mental health coach. Coaching is something that's still new. It's getting noticed. It's also started to get noticed by our different governments, and that's amazing. Coaches are people who have lived through all dramatic traumas that you could probably think of in one person's life that you would not even believe one person could go through. Most society would think that 12 people go through these ups and downs, but actually these people who are mental health coaches like myself have gone through many of them and have now lived through them, educated themselves like myself, and now want to give other people going through it or living through it or trying to live a better and healthy life. You can reach out to me on our Facebook, Mental Illness Matters. If you would like to have a one-on-one online coaching service, that's great. We go by different ages. You can find all those on our page, and the first consultation is free. We are not recognized by insurances or the government for funding through that way, so it is out of pocket. We do offer sometimes some free services because not everybody can afford it, and we understand that. If you or someone you know needs the help, please reach out, and if it is an emergency, please reach out to your local crisis center. I hope that you have a blessed weekend. Happy Mother's Day to the mothers that are out there, even the ones that have children that do not see them, and for some that don't recognize. Please realize that we are thinking of you as well. And God bless you all and have a great day.